In this video, we'll be looking at tracking issues and how they can cause problems with your smart bidding strategies. We'll focus on Google Ads and how to resolve any issues caused by tracking. So for example, you have smart bidding set up, you're using Maximise Conversions or Target CPA or Maximise ROAS, but for a couple of days, you had no conversion tracking or very little conversion tracking due to an issue with the website. And now your campaigns aren't spending anymore, or they're not performing as well as they used to because that smart bidding algorithm has been thrown out of whack, right? So how do we identify the problem and how do we resolve it so you don't have to switch to manual bidding or dumber automated bidding like max clicks and build up the data again before you go to smart bidding? So we'll look exactly at how to fix that in Google Ads. Let's jump over to my screen and do that now. Okay, so we've set the scene. Your campaigns have kept running. You've had spend, you've had clicks, but conversions were not being recorded. Maybe somebody simply deleted the tracking code from the website. So now after a few days, your smart bidding strategies, even though the issue's been fixed, they're not spending or they're not performing as well as they used to because the algorithm's been affected by those few days in which you had no conversion tracking. So rather than start from scratch and build up the data again, you can actually exclude those days that were affected. So you need to go to Tools and Settings in Google Ads, and then under Shared Library, go to Bid Strategies. Once you're there, just click on Advanced Controls on the left. And what you want is not actually a seasonality adjustment, it's a data exclusion. So click on this section. You'll see they explain it's exactly what we're looking for. Data exclusions may keep smart bidding from using wrong conversion data. For example, if your website conversion tracking pixel was temporarily removed, you can exclude those days so the bid strategies don't learn from incorrect conversion data or lack of. Just click on New Data Exclusion. Again, they explain what it's for. Give it a name, give it a description, just so you know in the future. You can set the start date and actually a start time as well, and an end date and an end time. So maybe it was just a few hours, but you have so much data that it still had a negative impact. So you can just exclude those few hours. And you can also do it for just certain campaign types if that's relevant. There you have it. If you're in that situation, give this a go. It might still take time for the algorithm to relearn a little bit, but this will definitely help it do that a lot faster. And actually sometimes, as you probably know, if you're watching this video, without doing something, you'll simply never see the level of spend or the level of performance you were before. This is the best way to resolve that issue. Let me know how you get on, and good luck.